hands on the street. I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, when nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. In every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love light that starlight on that first Christmas morn. Lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come let us rejoice, come and sing a Christmas carol with one big joyful voice, proclaim the name of the Lord. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us.
Isang pulo man sa namang itong pinapako na kasi sa inyo. Kasi sa inyo. Wala, bigyan na naman ako.
Always in our hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season
Madam, kasali mo ba? Kasali mo? Oo, sige. Dali na, please. Mabila pa kami.
one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Baby, hindi mo may nauna ng may nauna ng yes, may nauna may Chinese yung mga hindi sa ako na
It's Christmas time in the city. Hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Strings of streetlights, even stoplights, blinking bright red and green. As the shoppers worship with their treasure. Hear the snow crunch, see the kids bunch. This is Santa's big scene. And above all, bless who you Silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring a ring, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
Sige, huwag ka na maiyak. Sige na, umiyak. Balik lang yan. Wow. Wala pa nang ulam. Wala pa nang ulam. Sige, sa unahan. Lower natin.
Check. Check.
Hello, my test.
Ma-record pa kita. Quiet. Ma-record kita. Ma-record kita. Ako na lang.
Hello, sound check. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Bukal Amphitheater. In a few moments, we shall start our Christmas cheers for Cal CS and CN. May we request everyone to please settle down. In a few moments, the show will start. Thank you.
Like ka na. Dito ka?
Once again, good evening everyone from the College of Science, College of Arts and Letters.
And College of Nursing.
Welcome once again to the Bukal Amphitheater, our home for this year's BU Christmas Masaya Christmas Special. Supposedly, Pauline, alam mo, doon tayo dapat sa Torch of Wisdom.
Yes.
Unfortunately, hindi pumayag ang panahon. BU Hataw, pati Christmas cheers, pinapaulan talaga nilang lahat. And hopefully, wag tayong ulanin for the rest of the night. Anyways, we are all gathered here tonight in the celebration of Christmas. A time for enjoyment and a time for celebration.
And it's all about giving gifts and giving joy and smile to our loved ones, family, and friends.
Yes, kaya naman ang tanong ko ba sa inyong lahat, nakahabol na ba kayo sa Pasko?
And ready na ba kayo?
Meron na bang i-greet ng Merry Christmas at 12 midnight?
Sana all naman meron na. Sa College of Nursing ba, meron na ba?
How about mga calibers, meron na ba?
Papatalo ba ang College of Science?
Ayan, sabay-sabay tayo magsana all na lang. Importante tapos ang final, di ba? Nang walang i-greet, di ba?
Ikaw ba, Josh? May i-greet ka na ba ngayong Christmas?
Wala.
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 Gusto niyo bang tulungan si Josh makahanap ng pwede nag-greet?
Ay, finals muna.
Ay, akad first daw muna.
Amen. Kaya naman, for tonight, let us introduce ourselves. I am Joshua Onsay.
And I am Pauline Baile, and we are your host for tonight's event.
Naman tama na ang Pandudog Show, Pauline. Dog show pala.
Show pala. So, without any further ado, let's start our Christmas cheers. And sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat tonight. Right, Josh?
Of course, mag-enjoy tayo tonight with our opening salvo to be given to us by
PAS students. Let's give them a round of applause.
Good evening. A blissful evening to everyone. The opening salvo is an excerpt from play Mamma Mia, which was staged just a few hours ago, right in this very hall, by the performing arts students of PAL. At first glance, the play, which is a secular form of theater, may not seem connected to Christmas, but if we consider the storyline, which is about the girl's search for her father, which is about her desire to keep her family together for the most important milestone of her life, then we see the connection to Christmas. Christmas is about family, it is about forgiveness, it is about love, it is about joy. Ladies and gentlemen, the performing arts students of PAL.
Well, this is gonna be my job. You know, I need a break. I mean, a holiday. I've been running this place for 15 years and I've never had a day off.
In my
Men like that is hard to find, but I get them off my mind. And if it happens to be free, I bet you wouldn't fancy me. So I must leave, I have to go to Las Vegas or Monaco. And to win a fortune in a game, my life will never be the same. Money, 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 it must be funny. A rich man's world. Money, 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 always sunny. Ain't no rich man's world. All the things I could do if I had a little money in a rich man's world. Money, money, must be funny in a rich man's world. Money, 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 must be funny in a rich man's world. All the things I could do if I had a little money in a rich man's world. In a rich man's world. Alright guys, clear everything up. Faster please. I was cheated by you and I'm thinking away. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Now will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear up again. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, Mamma Mia, here we go again. My, how can I resist ya? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I miss ya. Yes, I'm broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I should not have let you go. I was angry and sad when I knew we were through. I can count all the times I've got over you. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look at you about me. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist ya? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I miss ya. Yes, I've been broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I should not have let you go. Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist ya? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I miss ya. Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, just how much I miss ya. Yes, I'm broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, I should not have let you go.
BPEA students. Give it up once again for our calibers from BPEA.
So, hindi talaga papatalo mga BPEA students, right? Alam niya ba, tinanong ako kanina ni Josh kung alam ko daw ba yung Mamma Mia. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. From ABBA siya, di ba? Okay.
Ayan, pati pa naman yung mic natin nagmamamamia. Ayan, sa mga hindi... Ayan, meron ba dito naka-watch na ng movie na Mamma Mia? And of course, the play. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Mia is a movie based on... And musical movie rather, based on the music of the one and only ABBA. Alam mo yon? Kayo ba, alam niyo yung band na ABBA? Oh, kita niyo na kung sino ang mga tito at tita. And of course, sabi nga ni Ma'am kanina, hindi man siya ganun ka-connected sa Christmas, pero sa first song, alam kong Paskong Pasko na.
Money.
Kailangan natin yun pag Pasko. Sino dito may mga inaanak? O sino dito ang mga inaanak na naghahabol ng ninong at ninang? Ayan. Anyways,
Ikaw ba,
muli.
Josh? May inaanak ka na ba?
4.
Ay, 4? Sana all. Ako wala pa.
Gusto mo
Sino
na?
hahabol dyan? Sino hahabol dyan?
Gusto ko maghahabol sa Pasko yung babate, hindi yung hihingi ng pera.
Babate.
Anyways, Pauline.
So, to formally start our program, may we call on Dr. Agnes J. Nepomuceno, the Associate Dean of Bukal. Let's give her a round of applause.
Diyos marhay nabanggi sa tuyaga boss. Good evening everyone. Kumusta kayo mga BUN nyo? Okay naman? Can we all recite? Ano nga yung theme natin ngayon? Merry BU Christmas Year 2. O sige. Okay, let's greet one another. A Merry BU Christmas. Can we all do it? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Merry BU Christmas. Thank you very much for and on behalf of the Dean of the College of Arts and Letters, Dr. Leticia Lopez, who is attending an equally important event tonight for the RD&E awarding. And despite the inclement weather condition due to a low pressure area, which is affecting Bicol, and which prevented us from holding this joyous event outdoor at the BU Pillars, we all have reasons to gather as one family as we continue to rise from the pandemic, which thrusts us from our respective homes. Indeed, we are blessed that this year, we are jubilant in celebrating the spirit of Christmas face-to-face in this venue at the BU College of Arts and Letters Amphitheater, while we are simultaneously live over the official Facebook page of Bicol University. Merry Christmas po sa mga nakaantabay sa Tuya. Live, we are live at our official Facebook page. Merry Christmas to everyone. And we, your triumvirate colleges, the College of Arts and Letters, the College of Nursing, and the College of Science, would like, of course, we are the sponsor for tonight's event, for the Paskong Masaya, a BU Merry Christmas Season 2. Let's all be merry tonight and enjoy and feel the spirit of Christmas through songs, dances, and inspiring performances from our select students, teaching and non-teaching personnel from CAL, CN, and CS. Let's all have fun tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Advance blessed Christmas and a prosperous New Year to each and everyone. Good evening.
Thank you very much, Doc AJ, for that very warm welcome. Of course, ang Associate Dean ng College of Arts and Letters. And of course, before mentioned po, naka-live nga tayo ngayon sa BU Facebook page.
Kamay po.
Huwag mo naman akong imainte. Pwede naman. Char. Ayan, of course, once again, kasama po natin ngayon ang College of Arts and Letters, College of Nursing, and
College of Science.
yes, ang tatlong, tama ako ma'am, ang sister colleges. Unit 1, right? Unit 1, Cluster 2. Ayan. Before, sa mga baguhan sa BU, that is how it was categorized before. And pag BU Olympics, meron pang Cluster Olympics before University Olympics. Alam mo yan? Kuya Kim nyo ako for tonight. Anyways, for another message of welcome, please welcome to the stage the Associate Dean of BU College of Nursing, Professor Luceline Ebuenga. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Thank you very much. Please allow to let this note because I wasn't really told ahead of time. As said by our Associate Dean, my dear friend, Dr. Agnes, the deans are attending to an equally important activity. So, as you know, the Associate Dean are behind the scene always. So, I would just want to share this message of the true meaning of celebrating Christmas. So, Christmas is one of the most wonderful time of the year, as this has been said by many people. And even we hear these true carols of children. So, for many, there are warm parties, cozy homes, because the homes are being decorated with colorful, with lights and everything. Then we have traditions to celebrate and gifts to be shared. It's joyous time of celebration. For the BU community, we have the Paskong Masaya. However, sometimes we get lost in the season and forgot the reason why we celebrate Christmas. Why do we truly celebrate Christmas? Is it about Santa Claus? So most of us are wearing the Santa hat. Or the Christmas tree. Or any other various traditions wrapped up into Christmas. Why do we celebrate this occasion? What it is true meaning? We are celebrating the moment in history when prophecy was fulfilled. God came to be with us. When Jesus came, He left us with the gift of salvation. His birth is significant because of His death. For 33 years, Jesus lived a life free from sin so that He could be perfectly a sacrificial lamb for the atonement of our sins. In Calvary, Christ paid the price and overcame death so that we could have victory over sin. When the precious baby Jesus was born and placed in a manger, He wasn't just another birth. It was the beginning of God's plan for humanity. Take time this holiday to celebrate the true meaning of Christmas by glorifying one who gave it all, and it's Jesus. A child was born in humble circumstances, and His sacrificial death reflected the great love for humanity. Without the death of Christ, salvation isn't possible. So without His birth, neither it is possible. Jesus coming to earth that night changed everything as its moment we should celebrate with our hearts. Certainly, enjoy the parties, the food, the gifts, and the festivities. But don't forget to thank baby Jesus for coming into our lives. Let us together prepare ourselves to welcome Him in the homes of our heart. Love, joy, and peace are the ingredients for a wonderful Christmas. May our hearts feel that love, joy, and peace this Christmas and throughout the year ahead. The BUCM family, as we say, BUCM Cares, joins the BU community in the celebration of Paskong Masaya. So join me, friends, as we witness the Christmas cheers prepared by the three colleges, College of Arts and Letters, College of Nursing, and College of Science. Thank you very much and welcome to this activity.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful message.
Ayan. So sabi nga ni Ma'am kanina, di ba? Christmas is a very religious time ang years. Ikaw ba? Anong pinaka-inaabangan mo pag Pasko?
Actually, yung pagkain.
Pagkain.
Yan, dog show ka na naman, Josh eh.
Kakayanin pa ba mag-grahams? Sa mahal mong bilihin ngayon.
Kesa di bola.
Kakayanin pa ba spaghetti na mahal ng sibuyas?
Mag-salad ba? Kakayanin pa ba?
Ako na lang, Char.
Ay.
Ako na lang gagawa.
Akala ko, ikaw na lang yung salad.
Ganyan pag matipid, kahit anong mangyari, magsasalad tayo.
Totoo yan. Madami namang ways ang paggawa ng salad nyo, di ba?
Correct, may lumbot pa dyan. May lumbot pa.
Pero ikaw din yung aakyat.
Oo. Anyways, to continue tonight and hopefully may magbigay dyan ng salad sa ibang college, mag-invite. Sana i-invite din ako ng itong tatawagin
Oh,
ko
ayan,
na
nagpaparinig na si Josh. Kaya pa yan.
Jack, salad naman dyan! As the representative from the College of Science, please welcome ang fresh na fresh pa rin kahit napaka-busy sa pista ng Adham ang teknolohiya, the CSE President from the College of Science, Jericho Victas, for another message. Mayos ka, ganda ng intro ko sa'yo. Salad ko.
So good evening, everyone. So on behalf of Professor Jocelyn T. Serrano, since she is on the official duty in the Research and Development Exemplary Awards, and to all the faculty and staff of Bicol University College of Science, and a student from the scientific community, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Mga scientista ng bayan, to the College of Arts and Letters and to the College of Nursing. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much, Jack, for that warm message.
So guys, ready na ba kayo para sa mga performances ng CS, CAL at ng College of Nursing? Ready na ba?
Ganyan ba naman itsura niyan, te? Tapos sasabihin mo ng di ready. Mas mukha pa nga akong di ready, te. But you know, habang nagtatagal ang ating CSE ng props on stage, Pasko talaga ang pinaghahandaan. Not just in schools, even in companies, makikita mo talagang preparation. Dahil minsan may premyo, di ba? May kaila ako naghanda talaga ng performance. Nakakuha siya ng iPhone pag-uwi.
Ay wow, sana all.
Eto, ano bang... May mga professors tayo dito ngayon, alam ko yan.
At na hindi magpapahuli, di ba?
Oo, na hindi magpapahuli. Tanong ko, mga student performers natin, anong gusto nyong reward from your professors? What all I want for Christmas is... Baka naman po. Isang ulo lang po. Yun lang po, masaya na kami. Most especially, ang mga third year at fourth year, yun ang pinakahinihiling, no? Kahit wala ng jowa, uno lang po.
Okay lang yan. So, ready na ba kayo guys? So, to call our performers, may we call on the College of Nursing, the students and faculty.
Let's give them a round of applause. Our first performers for tonight. Ang pinakamalaking batalyon for tonight.
Ikaw ba, Josh? Sa tingin mo, ano bang ipo-perform nila?
Feeling ko mag-ano to. Magtatahi. Mag-ano dyan.
Ready na ako.
Mag-extract ng dugo habang kumakanta. Ganon.
Napaka-talented naman talaga.
Natry mo na ba mag-ret them habang kumakain ng grahams?
Hindi pa, pero yung...
Yes. Ayan. So once again, please welcome here on stage from the College of
Nursing.
Nursing.
Yung mic daw, wait lang.
Malalaw ba tayo? 10%.
Let's start the most awaited part of the program, the performances. From Simbang Gabi to Bibingka, Puto Bongbong and Paroles, Christmas in the Philippines is definitely one of the happiest holidays. However, for every overseas Filipino worker, this may be the loneliest time of the year as they spend Christmas in a foreign land away from their loved ones. A bitter pill that no Filipino would ever want to swallow. After all, they share the same story, dreams of a better life for the one's family. To realize these lofty dreams, one must make many sacrifices in quest of better opportunities. But this coming Christmas, here's a story that will surely touch many hearts. Witness how this family receives the most unexpected surprise this season. Let's give it up for BSN 2A of the Bicol University College of Nursing.
Magpapasko na pala? Uwi kaya ako ngayon? Sana makauwi ako. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ko pa. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Teka nga, tatawag muna ako kina nanay. Oh my God! Ma! Pa! Si ate tumatawag! Kapatid mo, tingin nga. Anak! Ano ka dyan? Nay! Okay naman ako dito, ombre, kaya nakatawag ako. Kamusta kayo?
Okay lang kami, anak. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Ate, makakauwi ka ba ngayong Pasko? Yun nga, bunso, at hindi ko alam kung makakauwi ako ngayon.
Ay, sayang naman. Miss ko na yung mga kwento mo. Sana makauwi ka talaga, ate.
Huwag ka mag-alala, bunso. Sa doon mo ako na magugustuhan ninyo.
Ano naman kayo yan, ate? Ate, chocolate, iPhone 14. Masyal ka naman din natin. Oo naman, ate. Pasensya mo na. Ang kapatid mo.
Teka lang, anak. May tao sa labas.
Sige po, tay.
O siya, anak, mamaya tawag tayo ulit, ha? Miss ka na namin.
Opo, tay,
Okay, ate. We love you.
Mahal, anak. Halika kayo rito. Tingnan nyo. May nangangaroling.
I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't even have my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus to make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever
halip po na kayo ang magbigay ng pamasko sa amin, kami po ang may handog na pamasko sa inyo. Namamasko po!
Pinakamadilim, mga tala ay mas nagtitipid at parang ulan sa likod nito ay may liwanag. Ang liwanag na ito'y nasa ilahan ay sinagang bawat pusong bukas sa hihig ng mga yakap. Nagkikilong ang lahat ng sugat ang nagsisigitong ilang walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkapagkulay ang Pasko.
Mula sa BSM2A, binabati namin kayo ng isang maligayang Pasko!
Thank you so much for the lively performance, PSN 2A. Partner, may kapamilya ka bang nasa abroad or never bang naka-experience ng Pasko sa Pinas?
Oo naman, partner. Meron akong tita na nasa abroad actually.
Okay, I ask you that because this next performance will be a musical about a guy who never experienced Christmas in the Philippines ever. So, I'm sure this story is gonna be very close to our hearts knowing na a number of Filipinos have relatives in other parts of the country. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Be ready to groove and swing to the rhythm. Let us give a round of applause to Level 2, Block C.
beautiful place. It's nice to be here in the Philippines. It's my first time to celebrate Christmas here. So, what's it like to have Christmas in the Philippines?
Sa tuwing sumasapit ang Pasko, tila may hiwagang bumabalot sa lahat. Pagpapatawad, pag-aaruga at pagmamahal ang namumutawi sa puso ng bawat isa. Mga tahanan at lansang nababalot ng palamuti at liwanag. Mga pamilya, kamag-anak at kaibigan, nagtitipon-tipon at nagkakaisa. Aba, Pasko nga naman! Tayong mga Pilipino, humatulad sa pagdiriwang ng Pasko. Malayo pa man ang Disyembre, tayo ay handa na sa papalapit na
Unfortunately, we're having some technical difficulties that shall be sorted out in a moment. But you're still witnessing in the Bicol University Facebook page, BU Christmas Special natin. Performing still, of course, ang ating students from the College of Nursing. Ayan, alam mo partner, minsan nagdududa talaga ako sa mga college eh. Hindi ako naniniwala mga nursing students to.
No.
Alam mo, hindi ko naniniwala mga nursing students to.
Oo nga, no.
Ang ganda ng production. Palakpakan naman natin, of course. Bigay na bigay, no?
Tsaka kanina yung first performers, naalala mo yung mga, na bata pa tayo. Ikaw ba, nung bata ka ba, nakakaraling ka ba?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi ka nakakaraling.
Ako yung nagbibigay ng...
Ikaw. As in, nakakamiss. Abang tinitingnan ko sila kanina, napapaisip ako, sabi ko, nakakamiss naman mga roling sa iba't ibang bahay.
Yes,
Oo.
and you know what? Ang touching ng story.
Oo, totoo. Ikaw ba, sana ngayong Pasko, sino kayang pwedeng maalala mo? Ay, pwedeng makaalala sa'yo?
Siyempre, family, of course. Family. And of course, ikaw, ito naman, parang hindi kumare.
Family nga lang ba?
Oo. At siyempre, kung may iba makaalala, thankful. Ikaw ba? Meron?
Meron! Family din!
At
friends!
Ayan. And of course, we would like to acknowledge ang ating mga different college student councils na nandito ngayon. Of course, from the College of Arts and Letters.
Then from the College of Nursing and
College of
Science.
Ever since talaga, tatlong to always solid.
Oo.
Ang mga team main. Yung pag may suspension sa Daraga, hindi tayo kasama. Kasi Legazpi tayo. Nasa boundary. And And of course, kung grabe yung production ng students, what more sa ating mga professors, di ba?
Totoo yan.
Talaga nagpa-practice pa sa hallway, tapos nakikita mo, di ba? Abangan yan.
Na-excite na ako anong gagawin nila. Ikaw ba? Sa tingin mo anong gagawin nila?
Ano to? Tatumbling.
Naka-curious na ako.
Tatumbling ganon. Alam na to si ate girl na may curls.
Karina,
Gusto ko
Karina.
tumbling to. The epitome of the rich, classy tita sa BGC. And of course, kanina nag-perform mga Tinipea students. Plug ko na rin. Please, if you have time, if you're not doing anything, please do watch bukas here. Live pa rin sa Cal Amphitheater. Kung kanina Mamma Mia, bukas naman The Sound of Music by Bipea 4B. Abangan yan.
What time ba yan, Josh?
If I'm not mistaken, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. dito sa Cal Amphitheater. Please do support our Bipea students from Cal.
Oh,
Okay na.
oh, what a beautiful place. It's nice to be here in the Philippines. It's my first time to celebrate Christmas here. So, what's it like to have Christmas in the Philippines?
Sa tuwing sumasapit ang Pasko, tila may hiwagang bumabalot sa lahat. Pagpapatawad, pag-aaruga at pagmamahal ang namumutawi sa puso ng bawat isa. Mga tahanan at lansangan na babalot ng palamuti at liwanag. Mga pamilya, kamag at kaibigan, nagtitipon-tipon at nagkakaisa. Aba, Pasko nga naman! Tayong mga Pilipino, walang katulad sa pagdiriwang ng Pasko. Malayo pa man ang Disyembre, tayo ay handa na sa papalapit na selebrasyon. Kahit tayo ay sinubok ng panahon at pagkakataon, tayo ay nakangiti at patuloy na bumabangon. Bakit kaya? Aba, masaya talaga ang Paskong Pinoy.
Grabe, miss na miss ko ng Pasko dito sa Pilipinas. Be, suwagong ko. Miss na miss ko naman. Sana ngayong Pasko, maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap ka ng pag-ibig mo. Mala, mangaralin na kita. Sige, hamos. Hindi na kayo. Buti-buti dito, bubusi-busi
Ang Belen ang nagpapakita kung paano ipinanganak si Jesus.
At ang Belen, ito yung nagsisimbolo ng pag-ibig ni Kristo.
So tuloy ba ang Christmas? Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, ang pag-ibig sana'y maghari.
Sapagkat si Jesus ang kasama mo, natuloy pa rin ang Pasko.
Halina at makisaya dahil sa Pilipinas, Paskong Pasko na talaga.
Performance re-envisions the nativity scene in a very unique perspective. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause for 2B.
Asan yung box? Yung box. Yung box, asan yung box? Asan yung box? Yung box. Ay, ayun. Sige na. Go, go, go. Kuya, dito yung ano.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party now. There's a little hand where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Then we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing jolly, deck the halls and about the party, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everybody dancing merrily in the old-fashioned way.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need Santa Claus will make me happy. Come to your Christmas Day. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
You better watch out.
You better not run, you better not run.
I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
to hear those sleigh bells jingling, our next performances will surely draw the strings of your heart as they sing a Christmas carol. Let us give them a round of applause.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ding, ding, tingling. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling, our friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Sleigh bells ring, are you singing in the lane? Snow is missing, beautiful sight, happy tonight, walking in the winter.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bell chiming, jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Square, in the frosty air.
The right time is the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's bell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh.
Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock, mix and a mingle in the jingling beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. The weather outside is bright. Hold me tight. All Let's hope alive.
They're shared with you. Looking through the ranks, faces and friends, always remember our chances showers rushing alive, and the cool breeze of this sparkling lights all over us now.
Children's carols in the air by the Christmas tree. A shower of stardust on your hair.
I can't think of a better Christmas.
My wish coming true, and my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. Whenever I see girls and boys sing legends on the street, I remember the child in the manger received. There are people giving gifts, exchanging cards. I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. Let's light our Christmas tree for a bright tomorrow. Nations are at peace and all are one in God. All together now. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in
tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and do some caroling. Oh yeah, you will get a sentimental feeling when you voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with a band of holly. Come on, everybody. Make sure you sing along. Here we go. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Oh yeah, you will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with a band of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Thank you guys. Have a rocking Christmas. Happy holidays. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello. Ayun,
That was a mind-blowing performances ng mga taga-CN.
Naniniwala talaga ako, hindi mga College of Nursing students to.
Oo nga.
Ano, feeling ko, ready ang ampunin kayo. Di ba, Ma'am AJ? I'm ready to adopt you anytime. Di ba? Palakpakan naman, of course, natin ang ating mga nursing students. Hindi talaga nagpapatalo. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Ang galing. Legit.
Di ba? In the words of Mama Pao.
Sobrang nag-enjoy ako kanina habang pinapanood sila.
Yes, hindi lang talaga performance, there's also a story behind it. Thank you very much ang ating mga nursing students. In the words of Mama Pao, pakak! Very good, yes. Anyways, Pauline, for our next performance, may we now call on from the College of Arts and Letters, Christine, for a song number. And of course, abangan din after this performance, ang iba pang performances prepared from the College of Science and College of Arts and Letters.
careful under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. Well, I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the boys I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you'd then check your Christmas list. Santa baby, I want the autumn, really that's not a lot. I've been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey, there's one more thing I really do need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa honey, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and bring my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing, a ring. And I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Okay, thank you so much for your wonderful voice, Christina. Next one is the duet from faculty and non-teaching staff of Bukal.
My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party or dinner for two, anywhere we do.
Celebrating the Yuletide season, always light up our life. Simple pleasures are made special too, and the shared with you.
If you feel some more photographs, faces and friends will always
solitude.
And my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you. Choose some more photographs, faces and friends will always remember watching busy showers rushing about in a cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town. Children's carols in the air, by the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on the air. I can think of the best my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas is spending it with you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you very much from our non-teaching and teaching faculty from Cluster 2, the College of Arts and Letters. Yes, and of course, the night is still continuing. Nakalive pa rin tayo ngayon.
Okay pa ba kayo dyan?
Ayan, dito sa mga kasama natin sa Amphitheater and sa ating Facebook Live. Anyway, please, let's now continue the program with
The College of Science from Francis Daphne Frillies.
Let's give her a warm round of applause for a song number.
Your heart beat light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide from now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as
much, Francis. So up next is from College of Arts and Letters by Wendy Lisay for her spoken poetry. Ready ka na ba, Josh?
Yes, I am ready. And of course, Wency is the champion of the spoken word poetry competition sa CAL. Kaya naman abangan ko ang sasabihin ni Wency. The mic is yours. Hello, Pen. And magandang gabi po. Ako nga po pala si Wency Lisay. O mas kilala sa Wency Lisay, isang writer at spoken word poetry artist. Kumukuti-kutitap. Kumukuti-kutitap na naman ang mga tala sa alaman. Papalapit na naman ang Kapaskuhan. Ramdam niyo pa ba? O ramdam niyo pa ba ang presensya nito? Siguro, hindi naman tayo mga Manhiliano. Malamang, ramdam natin na mistulang hindi nakagaya ng mga nakagawian ng ating nakasanayan. Malamang sa malamang, gusto niyong manubalik ang lahat sa kung ano ito sa nakaraan at sa kung paano natin dapat ito ay pinagdiriwang. Kay sarap balik-balikan ng timyas ng mga alaala, hindi kagaya sa pait ng alaala sa dati mong kasintahan. At ang realidad na hindi na pwede pang magkabalikan. Dati, kasabay ng paglamig ng panahon ang init sa pagsalubong ng Pasko. Pero bakit ngayon halos lahat na lamang ata lumalamig? Mula sa klima ng panahon hanggang sa tinimpla mong kape para sa tinapay na kasing tigas ng bato. Tsaka yung jowa mo, yung ka-MU mo, at yung mga ka-talking stage mo. At lalong-lalo na, yung tunay na presensya ng Pasko. Teka, tunay na presensya ng Pasko? Matanong lang, anong ideya nyo sa isang perfectong Pasko? Ito ba yung tipong pagkabit ng mga parol at Christmas lights sa mga bahay-bahay nyo? Ito ba yung araw na dapat makatanggap ng mga iba't ibang regalo? O baka naman ito yung pinaka-paborito mong ibinibigay na kulay asul na may numero 1 at 3 0? Yung tipong kapag mayroon ka nito, kapag mayroon kang 1,000, mayroong isang tuwa, buong bansa, showtime. Hindi, biro lang. O baka naman ito yung magarbong handaan, ang araw daw na mayroon kang kasintahan at kayo ay nag-iibigan. At ang pamilya ay dapat na nagsalo-salo sa hapagkainan, yung tamang kwentuhan at nagmamahalan. Ganito yon, pero hindi. Dahil ang lahat ng ito ay parte lamang ng pagdiriwang ng Kapaskuhan, pero hindi dahil hindi nangangahulugan. Ito na ang tunay na presensya nito. Hayaan nyo na wala na kayong mahugot na sentiment sa butas na busbubul sa inyo. Hayaan nyo na kahit wala kang pambayad sa kuryente at kayo'y naging apektado at diwa ng Kapaskuhan. Hindi lang naman dapat dito umiikot ang ating kasiyahan. Kaya, huwag sana natin kalilimutan sino ang dapat pasalamatan, kung sino ang pinaka-dapat bigyan ng importansya at pinahahalagahan. Siya ang simula ng pagmamahal na ibinahagi sa buong sanlibutan. At ang dapat patunguhan ng ating pag-ibig na walang hanggan, pagkat ito ang araw ng kanyang kapanganakan. Kaya huwag sana natin kaliligtaan na tanging si Kristo pa rin ang pinakasentro kung bakit natin ipinagdiriwang ang Kapaskuhan. At ito ang ideya ko ng isang perfectong Pasko. Kayo, matanong ko kayo, anong ideya nyo sa isang perfectong Pasko? Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Wednesday, sa iyong spoken poetry.
Yes, iba naman talaga ang tatak ni Calibre. And that was a very entertaining and napaka-realistic na spoken word poetry, if I do say so myself,
Na-inspire ulit ako gumawa.
ng spoken poetry. Same. Very, very soon, pakinggan ko yan. But Pauline, in the meantime, unfortunately, we have come to the grand closing of tonight. Kaya naman, before we welcome ang ating grand final performers sa gabing ito, gusto namin pasalamatan everyone who became a part of this program, College of Arts and Letters, College of Science, and College of Nursing. And of course, sa ating mga Facebook viewers, thank you very much for sticking around
Thank you so
with
much
us.
po.
Ikaw, may gusto kang pasalamatan before we introduce them? Ayun. Inupos ko na raw. Kaya naman, Pao, I give you the honors to introduce our final performers for tonight.
So for our special performance from Bokal ng teaching and teaching staff and selected students.
Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, to our professors from the teaching and non-teaching staff, the stage is yours. From the Cal Amphitheater to your homes, Merry Christmas mula sa Bicol University. Correct. Matibay ang mga agi. Mas matibay ang prof. Di ba, Ma'am Jo? Yes. And I guess, Pauline, that's it. Our last performance for tonight.
So sana enjoy kayong lahat sa panunood sa Christmas trees and also sa ating Facebook Live. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Yes, of course. Maraming salamat everyone for sticking with us till the end. From here sa Bukal Amphitheater
Yes.
hanggang dyan sa inyong mga cellphones. Kaya naman, Pauline, ano, may gusto ka bang pasalamatan?
Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat sa College of Arts and Letters, College of Science, and College of Nursing.
This has been the BU Christmas Cheers. A Merry BU Christmas to all of you. I have been your host, Joshua Onsay.
And I am Pauline Baile.
Greeting everyone.
Merry Christmas
to all of you. Thank you very
Thank you so much.
And of course, maraming salamat din sa ating technical team. Maraming salamat kila Kuya and everyone behind the scenes. Thank you very much. Abangan ng iba pang sorpresa ng Bicol University sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Good night.
Bird machine check.